Hey friends, if you encounter the error, you'll need to provide administrator permission to copy this file or folder error on your Windows 11 computer. Then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So it's not difficult to resolve. Here's what I do. You can take your steps accordingly. I will simply search for UAC user account control and click on change user account control settings. Then I will push this slider to the absolute bottom. This is what I always do. I simply push it down to never notify and then click on OK. Now, when you do this, it will stop administrator prompts for all applications, which is not required if you are using a home computer. But if you really want administrator prompts, then you will be getting them. Simply click on yes and proceed with it. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.